One YouTube, you know, it's your boy Clickman, and you're tuned to Click React. Today we're going to be looking at Logan Paul. His video is titled, I'll Never Fight Again. Now, me personally, I think both him and his brother are in a lot of fixed matches. That's what I think, right? Not saying they can't fight, but I think something is going on. Like, I get it, you know, you guys are YouTubers, so it might seem like, I don't know, man. Just the fact that he went to WrestleMania is crazy to me. Like, you say you're a real fighter, now you're going to wrestling, right? But I don't know, man. Anyways, we're just going to watch this video, and I want to hear what he has to say of why he's never going to fight again. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know what you think about his reasons behind why he's never going to fight again. Appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later. Peace.
I've officially achieved everything I've ever wanted to in life.
Logan Paul looking to shock the world.
Do bad things to him, Logan. That's my guy.
Oh, lucky punch. What the hell are we witnessing, Michael? Oh,
It's torn.
oh.
But not because of all that, because of this. I have my own WWE action figure. Oh my God. This is the first
As a kid, I'm sure I would have fucking loved that shit too.
edition, and it's only available for pre-order for the next 2 weeks on creations.mattel.com or link in description. Jokes aside, while it's pretty cool that I'm now made of plastic, wrestling the face of the WWE in my third match was also pretty awesome.
I have an idea. I didn't want to throw it at you till now.
Triple H.
Signed off on it. You versus Roman Reigns.
What the? Whoa. Bro, they're gonna put me against Roman Reigns, the current reigning WWE champ. He's gonna kill me.
What
The
if
ratings.
I land that one lucky shot?
Logan Paul.
No one's expecting me to step in the ring with the GOAT and actually win. But what happens if I do?
WWE was kind enough to send this ring here to Puerto Rico. This
That's
is the
crazy.
same ring that was used in SummerSlam, the ring that I jumped off onto the table.
They sent this man a whole ring to Puerto Rico for him to just train and backflip onto. That's crazy.
It's funny how mental it is. In me believing in myself as a WWE wrestler.
Instinctual. You're not supposed to fall back and not look where you're going. Nobody does that.
Yeah, okay. Nobody does that. Yeah, but this is just telling me that they're scripted. Boy can
quit.
backflip though.
WWE
Yeah,
Crown
so
Jewel tomorrow. It's my first time seeing the stadium. Oh my god. This is insane.
This shit is crazy, bro. How these niggas blew up and how they're doing what they're doing. I definitely gotta commend them for that.
Yeah, we got a press conference right now. I requested to ride a camel.
The tribal chief ain't the only one with a bloodline. Ladies and
That is so
gentlemen,
stupid.
Jake Paul, Masalama Lick of Saudi Arabia. When you mess with the Paul brothers, you will fall, brothers.
That was good.
That was good.
That's
I
fine,
practiced
right?
last night.
These guys are fucking stupid characters, bro.
Honestly, guys, jokes aside, I hate all of you.
Logan will win with one lucky punch. Just one lucky punch.
You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, kids.
Passing by like Lady Godiva. I'm gonna go. There's no stopping me. Burning through
This is the man that's knocking people out or winning fights or not losing to Floyd.
the sky.
Almost beating Floyd.
Hey, bro, we got some Samoans to beat up. God dang it.
Kiss me.
Kiss me.
Absolutely not. Wouldn't even in America.
One of you men kiss me.
What the fuck?
Perfect.
Have fun, babe.
Love you, bro.
Let's go, bro. Love you, man.
Strange. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. WWE athlites,
I am so
they
excited
definitely
right now,
put their bodies
performing
through a
under
lot,
pressure,
man.
doing what I do best, having fun,
It's acting,
making
right?
people entertained.
You can still get hurt. That's live acting.
Your boy's about to win the WWE title, and I'm
yeah.
Instagram living it.
No, you're not.
In Riyadh, Saudi
They win
Arabia,
shit.
Logan Paul looking to shock the world.
Let's go!
This shit is crazy.
Roman's gonna punish him. What a leapfrog by Paul. Nice heel toss by Logan. You felt that, Roman. What an athlete, and what a clothesline.
Yeah, like that!
What's his finishing move there? Oh.
Are we witnessing, Michael? Logan Paul's going up to the top rope. You're going viral, Roman.
Oh. Yeah, those things can go so wrong, bro. So I have to give it to him, man. Those things can go so wrong.
Logan Paul is something special.
Yeah, I was something special until my knee exploded. But getting
he
George
got
and Mike
hurt.
involved, my co-hosts on Impulsive and my best friends in the WWE, and seeing them get their asses kicked was phenomenal.
Straight ball.
And getting to see Jake Paul do very well.
Oh, the right hand. Good night.
Oh, he probably had no.
because that's what brothers do. And I
No,
love you, Jake, and thank you for coming to Saudi Arabia for me. But as everyone knows, I ended up tearing my knee, and I actually told my manager during the match.
Go get that belt. You all right?
Yeah.
But what was I gonna do? Stop? No, everyone was looking at me, and I still had a 5-star frog splash to hit.
Splash by Logan. Roman Reigns. Superman punch. Reigns with a spear.
Yeah. It's.
The reign continues.
I mean, he was never gonna win. Let's be real.
What happened?
We already know the script.
I tore something.
What part of the match?
It was halfway through. It's torn.
It might not be as bad as I thought, though. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Ow! Sorry. Ow!
So I'm not gonna torture you anymore. If I had to guess, I think it's
Which
definitely your meniscus and the MCL. And I think the ACL is too.
I did a triple whammy. That's great. At least I have this prime.
Yeah.
Look at me.
Okay, I see why he.
Broken YouTube star who just lost a wrestling match with a torn ACL,
Man.
MCL, and meniscus.
Brother, you're never gonna win that.
Mess. You have fun?
The script would never give you that unless you're gonna continue wrestling as a career.
You were whispering that, and I was like, "What did he say? What did he say?"
Did the moonsault, did the backflip, all with the torn, whatever. This was bad. I kept hitting it, and it bore like a little more. But at that point, straight up, I was like, "F it, bro. I'm gonna finish this goddamn match."
That's
I don't
unfortunate
post much
still.
on YouTube, but when I do, I make sure to tear my ACL, my MCL, and my meniscus.
To never rejoice in somebody's
We just
injuries.
landed in Dubai. It's 6 a.m. We have a 2-hour layover and then a direct flight to LA on Emirates first class.
I
Thank
wonder
God.
what
I
he
can't
did, what
bend,
exact
let's go.
moment.
Drake hit me up. I sent something to him before, but he didn't respond. Actually, he completely ignored it. But he said, "Yo, you actually tore all 3." I guess I did post that, like, without actually knowing. Yo, I also haven't showered yet. Like, I was wrestling an oily man, a super oily man
You're
all night.
disgusting.
Just sticky stuff on my face. I'm in bad
Man could have
shape.
just sat you down. Your girl could have just sat you down.
I love that jump.
It was good, right?
Crazy. That's crazy, yeah.
To all the viewers watching this video, be selfish because you haven't bought yourself Prime. Because if you buy enough Prime, I'll be able to afford a private jet and I don't have to deal with this bullshit.
That's some good marketing.
We made it to LA. It's 24 hours later.
Wait, did you shower yet, fam?
Oh my goodness.
Does it actually hurt?
Yeah.
You see that black thing?
Yeah.
That's your medial collateral ligament, the MCL. That's
Okay.
where you tore it. You have a significant tear of the MCL. You have what we call a grade 3, which is almost a complete tear of that MCL.
Oh,
We're gonna
man.
treat this with a brace, with rehab. It's going to take a minimum of 6 weeks for this to heal fully.
Okay, so it's not a surgery.
I want to make this as simple as possible for someone like you to understand. Okay. This is a normal knee, and now this is Logan's knee. There's a couple things we can do, but first, have you tried soaking it in rice?
So yeah, I've been soaking my knee in rice. It's working.
It does
I'm
help.
going to physical therapy every day and
It does
sports
help. Rice-
rehab. It's been great thus far, and as of now, it looks like I'll be back to the WWE sometime in.
No one gives a shit by the Logan Paul action figure. First edition is only available for 2 weeks. WWE.
Man's really pushing this shit hard. Yeah, that wasn't so bad. He's not gonna stop fighting. He's just injured, and that's a shitty injury. But at least it's not surgery, man. But yo, guys, let me know what you think about the brothers' transitions, man. Like they left from YouTube to boxing, from boxing now to wrestling. Like it's crazy, isn't it? I guess it really does tell you just do what you want to do in life because you never know what can happen, man. Appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.